When I'm leaving United States and coming, finding a new place here, just trying to get into a new field, everybody asks, are you crazy? Why are you leaving a good paying job and coming back to India and struggling here? I said, that's not just thing, this is my passion. I've experienced both the positives and negatives. I'm learning. As I go, every day I'm learning. Hi, my name is Pavan Mudana and you're at the Pavana Ganga Farms here in Tavarikere, Magadi Road, Bangalore. So I am basically an engineering graduate. So I did my bachelor's in civil engineering from MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, and I wanted to pursue my master's. So I went to United States and got my master's in civil and environmental engineering. And that's how it's all started initially in my head, how the farm was started basically. So when I was doing my master's, I was into sustainability in the United States. I used to take care of waste management for university campus, and really I wanted to do the same thing back home here in India. But due to unfortunate reasons and due to mafia which is going on with waste management, the people suggested that it's better to just go back and pursue what I was doing there. So then I said, no, this is not going to work out. So I went back, then had a discussions with my family, and then I said, let me pursue something in the field of agriculture. And they were not happy initially because a lot of parents, when they have their kids done engineering or a doctor, medicine, they want them to be in that field. Then I decided, no, mom and dad, I really want to do this. Then I said, let me come back, and so that's when I chose, let's do the organic or natural farming, and entered into this field. So basically what we are looking here is the pseudo string system. This is the latest technology for supporting all the banana plants. Initially in the olden days, or still a lot of farmers use two-pole system, which is made of a Nilgiri tree or a Sarve Mara. Those systems cost you about 150 rupees for each plant. Going by this system, you won't believe it, it will cost you just 2 rupees. Wind may come this way, north, south, east, west, any direction, 360. It will just circle around and stay in its place. And to control the whole system, we are interconnected all the banana plants to each other. And in the last, we have something called as a guy bar. So the whole strength of this banana system is sitting on that guy bar. So what this packet is, it's called Gana Jivamruta, the dry form of Jivamruta. What it does is, it gives an equal growth in the banana. We have about 1,200 guava plants, out of which 800 are Taiwan pink and 400 are Allahabad Safed variety. Taiwan stems take a lot of time to grow, but these Allahabad Safed variety, they become so big, pretty fast. Look at the stems. This farm was started in August 2019, so it's just a year old. But a lot of farmers who keep visiting our farm have mentioned that this farm looks definitely more than 2-3 years old. I would say if you are here in the farm and if you start putting your own effort, you can develop it into a different level altogether. I do not have labors from past 6 months, close to 6 months due to Corona. And I've almost made this farm mechanized because I have all the automation done. Even starting from drip irrigation lines, the borewell starters, that's an automatic, the brush cutters. We have about 1,200 guava plants, and initially when I called the laborers to dig the hole, I just calculated the amount and it was running to lakhs. Then I said, no, this is not going to work out. Let's, because I'd seen this in US, something called auger machine. So that's when I found out, yes, it is available in India. And I bought the auger machine for about 16,000 rupees. I spent about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees on the petrol. So me and my friends, about 3 friends and myself, have done about close to 2,400 drilling holes in that auger machine. So it all worked out less than 20K. I would say if you are here in the farm and if you start putting your own effort, you can develop it into a different level altogether. If you depend on a labor or if you depend on somebody else is going to do for you, it's not going to happen.